So, you hit a big win on stake and you want to cash out. Congratulations! In this video, I will show you how to withdraw your funds securely to your crypto wallet or exchange like Coinbase or Binance. First, a quick tip regarding account status. Withdrawals are processed automatically, but accounts registered with the promo code hotcode often experience faster processing times due to VIP tagging. Always make sure you are tagged correctly. Let's do this. Click on the blue Wallet button at the top. Switch to the Withdraw tab. This is very important. Ensure you are withdrawing the correct coin. You cannot send Bitcoin to an Ethereum address. You will lose your money. Select the coin you want to withdraw from the list. I prefer Litecoin for smaller amounts because the fees are almost zero. Paste your receiving address here. Double-check the first and last characters to be sure. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Enter your two-factor authentication code from your Google Authenticator app. Hit the green Withdraw button. That is it. Usually the funds arrive within 10 to 15 minutes. Check the pinned comment for the official link and bonus code hotcode. Subscribe for more guides. Peace.